I know it's been a while, but remember the early days of the pandemic, the panic or hope that you were feeling? And I know for some of us, we thought, oh, this will blow over by the fall. And as months go by, more uncertainty comes. You start noticing that it's been a while since you've been to places that you normally go to. It's been a while since you've met people that you normally see. And then some thoughts of doubt creep in. And it just seemed like it kept on going and going. All of us missed out on a lot of things the past few years. And the reality is, we all experienced a pandemic that none of us had ever been prepared for. None of us ever anticipated any of this. It makes you wonder how much of ourselves got lost within the past few years. We need to rebuild ourselves. So come to our city conference. Be poured into and learn and rebuild yourself and strengthen yourself as we begin to dream about rebuilding our city.